In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or activate a disabled add-in in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where an add-in you rely on is suddenly not working, you know how frustrating it can be. But fear not. By the end of this guide, you'll have your add-in up and running again with just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're working in a version that supports add-ins. Usually, any reasonably updated version will do. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation where you've noticed the add-in issue. Now, look up at the menu bar and click on the File tab. This is where you can access a host of customization options for your PowerPoint application. After clicking on File, a sidebar with various options will appear. Go ahead and click on Options. This opens a new window that allows you to adjust how PowerPoint functions on your computer. Next, in the Options window, look to the list on the left-hand side and click on Add-ins. This section gives you an overview of all the add-ins currently associated with your PowerPoint. You should see not only active add-ins, but also those that are inactive or disabled. Now, underneath the list of add-ins, there's a drop-down menu labeled Manage. Click on this drop-down and select Disabled Items. This option lets you view any add-ins that have been turned off, which can happen due to compatibility issues, software glitches, or PowerPoint automatically disabling them after an error. After selecting Disabled Items, click the Go button next to the Manage dropdown. This opens a smaller window listing all the add-ins that are currently disabled. Here's where you can re-enable them. From the window that appears, select the add-in you want to enable by clicking on its name, then click the Enable button. And that's it. Your chosen add-in should now be reactivated and ready to use. Once it's enabled, it's a good idea to restart PowerPoint to ensure everything loads properly and functions smoothly. If you still encounter issues, check if there's an update available for either PowerPoint or the specific add-in. Updates often fix common bugs and compatibility problems. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance with PowerPoint, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help.